I can't find you.
I'm in the street. Wait, did you hear that?
What?
Oh, I thought I heard something.
Oh.
Sounds like somebody crying.
That's me, you idiot.
It is?
Jennifer! Cynthia! Jennifer! Cynthia! Jennifer! Cynthia!
Where'd you go? Where'd you go?
Ugh, this is hopeless. I'm just gonna go home.
Me too.
Don't stop believing. On, streetlights, people.
You run across this camera, do it really stupidly. Like really cheesy, okay? Just to catch the stupidity of it. Cynthia! Cynthia! Cynthia!
I'm recording. I'm recording.
Okay.
I'm recording.
Recording yet?
I said uh-huh.
Okay.
What to say? Choose.
Back up a little bit more.
Basically, just keep running like an idiot until we're done.
No, actually.
Alright, run like idiots.